Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not working issue in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all remove the camera lens protector. If you have installed any protector on your iPhone camera lens, then remove it, and after that clean your camera lens. After cleaning your camera lens, your camera will start working properly, and if it's still not working, then open settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here click on software updates, and from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest version or not. If your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update your iPhone to latest iOS version. After updating the latest iOS version, restart your iPhone. So to restart, press your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to the right side to power off your iPhone and then power on your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, your camera will start working properly, and if it's still not working, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. Now from here click on reset all settings and then enter your lock screen passcode. Now here again click on reset all settings to confirm reset. It will reset your all iPhone settings, but it will not delete your any data from your photos gallery or any other data from your iPhone. It will just reset your settings. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.